Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to fix cannot send message MMS messaging. So let's start. So I will give you some tips that can help you to fix it. So the first one is check your internet connection. You have to check if your Wi-Fi is working correctly, as well as your phone data. If you check everything is alright, well, let's try the next thing. Let's scroll down and let's go to messages. Here on messages, you have to check if this says activate. If you don't have activated it and it's in this way, you have to activate it. Then when you check it, just scroll down again and check if MMS messaging is activated too. If this is not activated, please activate. In that way, messages will receive on your phone. Then you check the mention notify me, also is activate. And that's it. Well, if you check everything is alright, try to use again messages and probably everything will be fixed. So guys, I hope one of these tips helps you to fix it. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and don't forget to give a thumbs up if you like the video.